Hi y'all, it's your instructor Allison here. I wanted to make a short video talking specifically about the outcomes assessments for this course. So I'm hoping this week you're all going over your syllabus carefully, but I know it's a long document and some of the things may not feel relevant until they are. So I wanted to make this video to at least call your attention to one particular area of the syllabus. So I'm here on our syllabus. If you scroll down, there is a section called Outcomes Assessment. And if you haven't had a chance to read over this yet, I encourage you to do that. Not just in this class, actually, in all of your classes, you should have that same section in every class. What Outcomes Assessment means is that is the work that you're going to be expected to do in the course, the type of work, and how the outcomes of the course are going to be assessed. So in this course, you can see we have a variety of different types of assessments that we're going to be doing, work that you'll be expected to do, and reading over this can give you a lot better understanding of what kinds of things you'll be doing in the class. One thing in particular I wanted to draw your attention to is the exam section. We do have 2 exams in this course, and they will be required to use HonorLock, which is a remote proctoring software, so you won't be able to use notes and books. HonorLock does record while you're taking the test. There will be a lot more information about making sure you have that set up and working before our exams, but I did want to draw your attention to the fact we will have exams that are timed in this course using the HonorLock software. If you have questions about that, feel free to reach out. You can also learn about all of the other types of assignments that we're going to be doing in the course, including our signature assignment, which is meant to assess basically all of the outcomes for the course. The other thing I wanted to draw your attention to, this is where you can find out what types of assignments. If you keep scrolling down to the grading scale, that's where you can find out which assignments are worth the most points. So while we have a variety of types of assignments, some are used to assess more of the course outcomes and so worth more of your grade, and the grading scale will help you see that. So you can see the signature assignment is worth 200 points, that's 20% of the grade. Exams are worth 100 points, and there's 2 of them, so that's also 20% of the grade. Discussion boards are 30 points, but there's 7 of them, so 210 points, also about 20% of the grade. So I encourage you to look that over if you have questions about what types of assignments. Of course, more specific directions for all of the types of assignments will be given in the folders for those weeks as they come up, but that will give you a good overview of what kinds of things you'll be doing in the course. I'm looking forward to a great week, and I'm glad you're here.